CCTV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
Kalong kasi ka bansa kan mau hakas nong maulendap Ripoy District. Hadim lapli ba ya Community Biofloc Fish Farming Unit kabadan Khasan Telik Unit ki balatay ka jenglot ka bakot. Iba ipan khat ar kelur Lingba ka Meghalaya State Aqua Mission 2.0 nakajingkarsyan yung DRDE Ripoy District pat ka Power Grid Corporation of India. Hakan ikasngi naplipat baru bon teliki project hapo kasansad Adhas Gram Yojana Phase 2 haka artrik jaliw arajar penriyo. Yakasnong maulendam lasimti do MP ka Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Karlukhi panpli kerpang ikam penroy kibahap apo ko umsning siaran di blok. Nalor ka Community Biofloc Fish Farming Unit hakan kasngi laplipat baru ya kisurok snong ka Zonal Reservoir pat kiway pat ki project kibalapan trailing ba Convergence Scheme baper pankantiw ya kayo kakot baka jingim kinong snong kasansad Adhas Gram Yojana kadi program kabalasdang do menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi panpelong ikisnong balajit kerpang kumkinduksa kalyang karoy kapar nalor Dr. W.R. Karlukhi balong kumukongsan lasak hilang do MLA ko umsning constituency Dr. Celestial Lingdo kumusumbut kongsan kiupsar bagi pa nong snong
Guys kejungi kilayo ban play hanya ko pulau di bat inget pakalong kajing ku na komta jangan kisong bagi kisong gomajan ya hoy yang kali kapor lingba jong kini ka kandon ru hadian kene kandon ru kajing play afterna kini hap ribon ya kene ka construction jong kene ka guest house kaniru lingba jong ka MP lat kabala pembang ya kene haka do do sipo lat tingka dinanta ka jenis na ya kene ka Maulendap Secondary School kene hapo kene ka scheme jong ka CMS dia kaniru kabala pembang haka do ka ba haka pisa ka bolong dulu lat tingka lingba jong ka MG NRG napo ka block umsing kabalong ka total jong kene ka pembang kalong saulat tingka Kamjoro aga bede bakane ka Livelihood Service Center ka habo po jo ka MKSB apo jo
nongmyo kaba iwan hali bani saki ya kakam kaba kamondap kayo sibur ki kampadroy tigi kemenlang dalian jo ka bar snongmyo ya kemenlang ba snong mondap kumju nangit skam ba ka snong mondap snong ber rekat ba ki officer verver kamtam i MP benar burom joni bara belum tak ski ban bu monorim be kosurok jongka new member mondap tengah tak kaji usukan ke bakau dan yang jongka dotar sinam new tengah ai kaji ke bok yang nafisar ba finandon ka let ka besar bakran hakaji ya TMP habis ni hipor jongban te kumle shibun ai kumle ro ya i amle jogi mudan brom ba ya sakiram mata ba ke ban ban ye ke ski ke bata kumju ya barok ya besar Fer juga distrik Ripoy jogi kiban ya kemenlang bat ka sinong jogi ta sikiti lang tian hagani ka por ka beti bat kanika singi ka bakarpang ka ba kum ka Maulendap ka pli sibun ki kampen roy hagani ka sinong tingiru kumbongi MLA jongi mene bah ka bakawan hak sinong Maulendap ngiru nya yo lang ki mamarjan mapa te hagani ka singi yo abani sakilang kuble sibun ya MP jongi di Dr. Karlukhi nagta MLA i sa Brahma, i sa Ruben, i Video, i Pak Daman, baru ki officer ki Department of Welfare i badan negeri kesini, ki kuble sibol sir ya gani ka jing clear yung niyo maunurem dan mata ka surok ha kasinong ka jongi ka balong lai point saw kilometer te kuble sibol ba lengba ka jing yarap ka jongpi Baga jingiram ke jong MLA ya ba kum kasinong hing saki pagini pertu ya ka buram ke jong pin ka puas puas
Diberi beristam bagi diberi peram pasong diberi peram pasong kita kilo di Dr. Robert Daman Pengmeda Pat Video Pat Sabrama Kumeras Sabrama Panaga Panamong Video La Trish Pun Ikam An Penurlong Yakni scheme repair one long. Think back to up to the MP to me. Think back to up to the MP to me. Think back to up to the officers to the land department of repair. It's a point how to deal mau jam trong cái scheme of that. Dengan na bạn ngomong iwe bạn kapan ngomong apa sa bạn kapan yang sa bạn dulu jogi adu ilong tumin adu ilong pa adu happy pare ilong glad su ye kado jogi happy andang kado jogi kare sing adopt ke jogi yang ini pembadal ke village kung sagi tu kata ilong ilong kare satangnya ni ilale kapentang kabari bania na cuma ada nasilo yui kamu anda jadi jingu kurupa jinam di jombe.
It's very it took me some time to know what it is. I met Sir many times. Sir apa ni? Some awasin awam itu. Kemagangan dulu, nang mendang nunggu ni kas. Ngayon ay kung video rin ng isa, alam mo kung ang nakapan sa iyo. Andre, kung siya na yung so, name the scheme mo isa, Andre have the car scheme mo isa mo just reverse. So that concept of our PM movie was very different to have that moral village. The exactly 2022, 1st June, to the 2nd June. 1st June first meeting down segi of this office kama bagi ni dalam di penonton ni lah dalam mobilization how to go ahead the direction down sir Haruki we have achieved what is real critical we feel it that me I don't want to achieve we have some of us speaker ni like ni nak point ni buat Sama nakilang juga undi workload ini di Islam. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of new journey from here. Sementara ilang kumpa exit jomga segi under our honorable MP sir. Like his term will be over within this June. So his hand, the golden hand which the support is given to volunteer, it will end. But it's a new beginning, new journey. The infrastructure he created, okay, that have to be translated into our achievement, and simple is that what's the impact? So we have to carry out all the department the impact, assessment impact, kan lo jimun to jim yo nong nak model village
Dari India, kabatmu, balpilong ye isnong, balajir, lene bala adopt the member of parliament, kita ki model village. Bingba ijingpun roy bakelum lam kathong jo kasai ki kamde tamban te ijingte berkam lane ban develop kita infrastructure ane kade berkentiu ya kajing yo kam yo jam ya ka khia ka puli puthi kajing sngai ba kajing em babha de pat ba bingba kajing shim mentan jo ki inong sanok ba jo ki tanap sarkar pher hamau ndap ha ne slow jo pi nilai ini yang kita long, jauh dari kantong lembaga di project, hal yang terjadi kesem, kerap kerja, lembaga mudi, kekerja, juga kai partai, bab ilat kamai Jepun.
Tura, UMP na Shillong Lok Sabha constituency. Kabangan kapso best part, kajelang Meghalaya baru kawai kadon sang UMP Haraja Sabha. Bat utara UMP udah rengkat bat ni hang ne mentaris ni. Kung u chief guest jongi. Bat tunjuru udah mau kadau balai bagi yalum lang hang ne mentaris ni. Bakin snotu balai kalong kerpan ngakwa man patai kindia. Ka umsning constituency kadon shispa khatsan telegisionong. Ngadai mga MLA ngapit sispa kasan telegisno. UMP Raja Sabha udon real power telegi constituency. Can average mapi Lada don kendai totally ke Shnong hakaway ke konstituensi. Ngalada itu ipi. Ka snik ka don sispa khatsan. Henry ngikain average kendai po. Multiply daun rupo kalong 1,000 saus pa ateli ke Shnong. Dan Henry hapo ka census jong ka Meghalaya ngidon 2,000 tam ke Shnong. Tiban ong ba ka Maulandep kadai ka model village jong UMP jongi Naraja Sabha mudur mapi kat no ka jingdon bok ka jong pi hapo Maulandep nakin 2,000 tali kisnong ki ba i Dr. Karluki ila banjit i jit banong ngakwa banjit ya ka Maulandep kum ka model village kita hapira haka mathematics kadon kar concave mo ka baki ong ya ka probability ladan 2,000 tali kisnong sita UMP udon tang stem ka chance jong ka Maulandep banyo ya ka tagalat banlong ka model village kalong 0.00001 de Henry na ita ipon pat idot lawan rakyat pi syakmat. Di habai MP jongi, habai ikran ya ka SAGY, Sansar Adas Gram Yojana. Kapabut, haga kitin kasi, kitin pareng, ka model village jong UMP. Dengan semua sarong hadu kata-kata ba, ngiyo yang ubriu ramba kum i Dr. Karluki, ngamio i ba ikren kok sono baka Maulandep kala dur baka daw jamaah iklen kok ile lakakam suki jai
kani ka bo ong hana ki ong ngom han pendu kani ka dai toy ka ba pon matan ni ka no ka roi ka ba snom thau kani phasi la ya pateng do andai ana ki ong to bran len ana ko bodon taro hana uto le konsu tu bang uto ngom ha kani ka dai project ya kami snom ka doi ba penengon kata kelaya ha ka ko dia ka nom ba na try di khana hana di bom non ke dia kerja si por la khang dari mentang ka ya ke snow ha re orang ba di non bi non ba long back no no kan markama what you may itu ka hana di bom balai mo na ban ni kata banga snow tho balang sa kum kini ki ai ban bat kani ka ba kumun on staman khai usok ila akan su ketika orang khai usok ila man pom di tak kebayang is sesien so komen pak bis kadi ke project kami hamdi kumun on ketuka beher ketum tanam kelaida kela take off ke song happy menta bertemu stable hawa ke take off dengan semua tenan ke jim bidang akan mau ha harusnya ada kuat late at economic law minister teka MTDC kala collapse atau to politik mau binong trade kala strike ba yok tu lok ni betai tigi khot na yang kele tong chairman jong MTDC ba lang la retire como chief secretary lo MP na sim juga ka challenge ba na late ba ka khot hata ni ya plan yang balak ban berkirim plus di don kam ke bank of employment so telah tu kuar Mr. Beski ulang bank of finance ulang York ke kersan ke hak itu kuar ke selong MTDC ko kalau minta but hak itu kuar asnau tu bagai ke don kam kalau ba ni happen privatize ya baru kini di ayu jong MTDC dan dalam tahap ya ketur simpumi Nasuh pun mesti, amar balai. Mentah tu orang untuk jiwa resort untuk mendai privatize tu nonton. Kepulauan Tawas, nanti sekali sejalan terus. Nama berat private tidak berat. Iku berkeren menerima jaga electricity, terus ni nak keren apa ya? It's high time. Awak, ini sekarang kita bentar. We need some competition. It's high time. Even, tak tu kan ini area even privatize. Bukan competition. Right? Suyok monopoli kan. Ni happen still. Kumonong di orang ini yang mau ni happen still no busy ya kan. For the development jauh kemudian dia nak tahu tu transformer happen still nantan itu ada di mana. For 100 di sana company kita ke CSR. Kalau kita ke corporate social responsibility. Nak ke airport authority India. Wanra scheme tiba hot kan poison ni nak try sampung nangta saipung nangta station ranikor nangta kita constantly ki PhD kila ayo ikini ki machine bukan kam so election no test menjok ki beri test nangta ko NGC yo ini long di toilet aku menintip jangan nom menintip hang apa itu medan yang kita nak try ke di mana dok kan tang yo do hab panra ni wai pak isti dengan try ni ke long ke kita kui ba yo le mentar bikin demo di ni dok kan ni nak try di beri wan pintar kam le snokin wan hang ni berhenti di dok kan ni ba oi so, kemenru haba kurketem jonga at least santali ki village ki puna adopt or lightly so hun numar bangai i result artly hagor hills request no chief minister why na artly kaya badia hamale sate kam legai hom dot sini kam komya di nyumla on posisi and rain gini lightly kam kerja ha molen dia kowe clear sem kowe nanta bat modal dia di kemudian orang modal yang tourism kini ketai modal yang ni idam don pop show hakane ka narang yok scheme the donor la approve mentang yang sort of ban accept the finance department and government kila honyo do upload something develop dia katakan Pak Budi Jor, Pak Budi Jor, jadi nak hilang Pak Budi Jor, saya nak yang berkat ini maka model dep ini. Rekomendasi tenan ada dalam bahasa KSM. KSM untuk forum atau di village, nak kali nak di betray the world mission. Ang ay nga kasi nang duduk tam, di ay ke KSM. Orang ini bah persiang tak pernah nampak strok, but hantu mesem bah hoy forum ngidang pulih. Said Ongwa, the Deputy Commissioner and DM is the backbone of Indian administration. And the TRICAM, the video is actually the backbone of Indian administration. Can you come and make a yard video job? That's for one. Can you come and take a yard the video hotel? I don't know. I say, I'm serious. On the can react on your video. Okay, assembly politics, no? Kedua ini dengan harmonisasi, nama orang ini diterima. Dengan pergi doktor, hantai di dalam jadi udah arsitek, yang isnan duduk yang sepok hari, tam kilo terpoy sepok itu amau itu ki senang.
Right now can produce up to 20,000 kgs of fish in one cycle. That one cycle can be 6 months, depending on the depending on your temperature. If the temperature drops, then your culture extends to 1.5 years. But if if like a feasible area of now where we have 28 degrees Celsius, you can culture 2 culture cycles in one year. So that approximately for a farmer, it means translate this into a production of approximately, let's say if we sell it at 350 kgs of fish, because you can culture here fishes that are of higher value. Your shingi, your magu, you can give a little bit of pangasius. Then all those things, if you sell it at 350 rupees, you get approximately 70 lakhs from this whole unit in one cycle.
Is this one of a kind in every district, or you have?
We have small individual units that we have started, but the first ever community cluster-based intervention where you have an end-to-end solution, because this is not a standalone project. With it, we have linked under the Meghalaya State Agriculture Mission 2.0. This project also has a seed production unit here within Maulendab itself. Then you have a feed mill within the village itself. Then you will have, because right now we're concentrating on culture. Then we also have a post-harvest solution. So you will have a cold storage here within the village itself. You'll have a fish transportation, and you will have a retail unit. So this is an end-to-end solution kind of a model pilot. This is the first of its kind in the state.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.